Good evening, everybody. It's Red Squadron 4 here for box break number 93 for a single box of 1213 Limited. This is going to be my first box of this product. I'm really looking forward to it. It is just before 10:30, 10:27, in fact, on April 11th. 10:27, there we go. April 11th. And here's the box. Serial number. While you guys were just checking the serial number out, I do want to point out that I do have a bunch of these coming up. Anthology, Contenders, Elite, Pinnacle, bunch of, to be honest, or I have another couple this weekend, the Heroes and Prospects. Some mid-range products, really. I really like doing those. And yeah, mid-range product and Pinnacle. Like doing those. Good luck, everybody. Looking forward to these. If I see something unusual, please bear with me. This is the first time, like I said, that I've broken a box of this. First card. Out of $2.99 for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. Erik Karlsson, not sure if he's an X-Man or not, coming back and thinking about playing in the playoffs. Pretty crazy. Erik Karlsson of the Sens. Next is Louis LeBlanc, Montreal Canadiens, out of $2.99 as well. No idea what he's doing in Hamilton. Not a whole hell of a lot, probably. We have a redemption. This is a big one for the Calgary Flames. One of the big rookies from this product, Calgary Flames, Sven Barchi. Phenoms. Calgary Flames. And for the Buffalo Sabres, the Ryan Miller autograph. Now this is super low numbered, folks. 15 of 49 monikers. So there's 49 of them, and yet the fraying here it is what it is. But at the end of the day, Buffalo Sabres, Ryan Miller, 15 of 49 monikers. Very cool. Number 81 of 99, Antiniemi of the San Jose Sharks. San Jose Sharks, 81 of 99. Little piece of jersey. Very cool. And we have a Back to the Future card. And this is going to be random. This is number 110 of 199. So this is here what we have is the back of the card. So it's going to be random between the Flyers and the Avalanche. I'll do that in a moment. And for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith, the board members, as you can see, 145 of 199. All right, so bear with me while I get that random set up. Pretty interesting pack. So the random is going to be between Colorado and Philly. 3 randoms. Number 1 position afterwards will get the card. 1, 2, and lastly, the Colorado Avalanche. Congratulations. And thanks so much, folks. Appreciate it. We'll work together soon. Check out my other breaks. Have a good night.